Now, are you thinking what I'm just now realizing? If you've thought about this, give yourself a pat on the back. If I cut those blocks 2 1/4 inches, they're going to be over the entire carpeted area, where those little feet are only shoved right down into the carpet in those one little spot. So if I put a block in there, chances are, I'm going to bow the middle of this up ever so slightly, because I'm going to have that whole 2 1/2 inch, 2 1/4 inch piece of plywood pushed down into the carpet. Whereas right now, the feet are the only thing that are pushed down in the carpet, like an inch by inch little squares. And I looked at these little metal ones too. These are welded on, and those are metal. I don't want to unscrew those, like I said. So I'm going to cut just little pieces. And this bed really isn't going to slide around any. This little block is going to fit right down in that little wedge of the carpet that's pushed down in there. So I'm going to cut, I'm glad I'm rethinking that. I could cut them 7/8 by 7/8 even. There's 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 3 under here. So that's 8 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7/8 by 7/8. Not very much, but enough, and it would just kind of fit into the little pocket of where that carpeted mush down area is. Okay? Okay. Glad I rethought that. Silly rabbit. Here's my pieces, and I put a little X on the top because it's almost kind of hard to tell which side is the 3/4 thickness and which is the 7/8, because I don't want to put any wrong. I want a short 3/4, because 3/4 inch plywood is usually a 1/16 short of 3/4, and that's the plywood that I used for underneath the legs. Okay, so now I can reach down in there and put these underneath all of my legs. Okay, that's my next step. And these front ones are these down the middle shouldn't be that hard, because I can just lift them up. See? Look at that. I gotta be careful how I do this so I don't fall, break my leg in there, huh? Okay. I say it should be easy, and it should be. Come on. Raise this up and put it under there. Okay? There. Like that. Okay? And I'm gonna ooh. Wow. That's kind of tricky. I think what I should do is get over here, huh? But see, then now I'm on top of the leg, so I can't do it that way, can I? I got to get off of there like how I was doing, and keep doing it that way. Ooh. Okay. These are just a little snug, aren't they? Just a hair. Okay. Stick it down in there. And fish it in there. Okay? Yeah, this is going to take me a little bit of time to do. And then I've got those 3 over there, so I'm just going to have to spend a few minutes and do it right. Rightio. Come on. definite little depression in the carpet for those. I'm not really too concerned about those moving around. And could I have done the 2 1/4 inch pieces? Probably. You know, and put them over the top. I probably could have. Eventually, they would settle down, you know, to a certain extent. Okay. But I decided for the sake of argument to do it this way, because I don't really think these legs are gonna move around that much. Once I get everything back into place. Okay, I think that's kind of moved over a little. Okay, like that. Okay. Then I gotta, oh wow, that one. I was hoping I could get those. See, I may have to take my hammer and screwdriver and tap that under, because that's the metal one, underneath this drawer system. Ooh. And I may have to tap those. I don't know if I can get this one. Yeah, see, these little ones, there's no way I could have done those with a 2 1/4 inch. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna take my screwdriver under there. Because once I get it straight, it should be fine. See? Like that. There, that's fine. I'm liking that. And I'll do that to the middle one. I've got one other little one to go over on the other side. Whew. Whew. Almost done. Whew. Whew. Okay, now theory has it, when I slide that back up, these are not going to move. I'm hoping these aren't going to move. Because if they start moving around as I'm pulling that, they're going to be all discombobulated. And then I may have to get Momi out here so I can lift one side up so she can rearrange. But take a look at this before you put it back, because they never seem to fit exactly. You see the gap over here? I got the same gap like that over here. Okay, and that's just how it is. Okay, and then I got a slight gap there, and I think I'm going to be fine. Just little by little, and there's the straps on the side right here. So I may have to lift this cover up and stuff, but I'll get it. I'll get it.